This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy an ex-government facility in GTAV. First, you need to be registered as a CEO, VIP, or MC president. This is essential for accessing the in-game website where facilities are sold. Ensure you have enough in-game currency, as facilities can be quite expensive, often costing several $1,000,000. Having a good cash reserve makes the purchase process smooth and quick. Once you are registered and have sufficient funds, open your in-game phone. Navigate to the Internet browser icon on your phone screen. From there, select the Money and Services tab at the top of the browser page. You will then see a list of websites. Click on Maze Bank Foreclosures. This website is where all the available facilities are listed for purchase. On the Maze Bank Foreclosures website, you will see a map displaying all the available facilities. Each facility has a different location and price point, so take your time to browse. Consider factors like proximity to other businesses or personal preferences for the map area. Once you have chosen a facility, click on it to see more details, then confirm your purchase to become the proud owner. After purchasing, you can customize your new facility with various interior upgrades, such as a security room or living quarters. These additions enhance your experience and provide extra benefits. The main advantage is gaining access to the Doomsday Heist Planning Room, which unlocks exciting new missions and challenges. Remember to check the description for a link to those amazing meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your new base of operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.